Welcome friends to today's class. Now today we have a problem, JAMB question 2018 number 4. Now it says we should evaluate 1.25 times 0.025 divided by 0.05, right? So now what are we going to do? Right, so we are going to convert the number to standard form. Let's change each of these numbers to standard form. So we have 1.25, you move 2 times, that is 1, 2. Okay, now when you move 2 times, this number will become 125 times. Remember, a number is said to be in standard form if it is written of the form 1a times 10 raised to the power of n, where n can either be a positive number or a negative number, and this 10 can be a number ranging from 0 to 9. All right, okay, so now this particular number from 1 to from 0 to 9. So now this particular number must always come with 10. That's a standard form, must always come with 10. So this number becomes 125 times 10 raised to the power of, since you have moved 2 times to the right, so anytime you move 2 times to the right, it is going to be negative, so you have minus 2. Now let's also convert 0.025, okay, to also convert it to standard form. So we have 1, 2, 3, so that means 25 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 3. Okay, we also have 0.05, 1, 2, so 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. Oh, now let's put all this number back into the problem. So we have 125 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 times 25 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 divided by 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2, right? So now if you discover, you see that 10 raised to the power minus 2 and 10 raised to the power minus 2, they will go 5 here is 1 and 5 here is what? 25. Okay, so let's multiply 25 times 25, we have 625. So 625 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 3. Now, so 625, 10 raised to the power of minus 3 is the same thing as 0.001, because if you change it to standard form, you are still going to get the number at the other kind. So now, what do? So you move 1 time, okay, you also move here 1 time, move again 1 time, move again 1 time, move again 1 time, move again here. Okay, so you have 0.625, all right? Okay, so approximately you can write it as 0.63. Okay, so that is how to change this number, evaluate this number, and write it in 2 significant figures, right? 2 significant figures, or 2 decimal places, 2 dp, 2 decimal places. Okay, so that is how to solve this problem. But if you are told to write this number in 1 decimal place, that will be 0.6, right? Because this other number 2 is not up to 5, so you cannot approximate by adding 1 to the 6 to make the 7. So that is how to solve that particular problem. Thanks for watching.